susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Good day, everyone! I'm Leandra.
I'm Mika, and we're here to discuss about quadrilaterals.
You have any idea about quadrilaterals? I bet you already know this. But in this episode, we will explore and learn more about this subject.
She's right, so listen and watch carefully because later on we're gonna have three different cutouts in colored paper. Can you guess what is the characteristics they all apply?
Yes, you're right. It's the sides. They all have same four sides. Let's proceed to its types. What is this figure?
Don't you know that? It's a parallelogram. The quadrilateral where both pairs of opposite sides are parallels. It means that if the lines extended, they never intersect nor meet, both sides are equal.
Can't you see it's a colored paper?
Shut up. This is a rectangle. Like, oh my god. Rectangle is a parallelogram because its line is also a parallel. Will never intersect, but it has four right angles. Unlike parallelogram, its angle is not 90 degrees.
Oh, really? JC, can you give me the definition of the trapezoid?
Of course, trapezoid has only one pair of parallel lines, while the other two lines are not parallel, because if they extend up, they will intersect. Eventually, it will look like a triangle. How about you, Leonard? Do you know what is the meaning of rhombus?
Yes, its both sides are parallel and it's congruent, but its angles are not 90 degrees. So rhombus is parallelogram too.
Kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of length sides that are adjacent to each other.
Last but not the least is the square. The square is
A special quadrilateral because it is parallelogram, a rectangle, a rhombus.
right, meaning a square is a parallelogram with 90 degrees angle, which is a characteristic of rectangle too. And a square also has all congruent sides, which is a rhombus. Actually, they are called parallelogram family except the trapezoid and the kite.
Yes, because unlike the parallelogram family, trapezoid and kite have a pair of intersecting lines.
While kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of length sides that are adjacent to each other.
Finally, we'll proceed to our main topic, properties of parallelogram. Lisa will discuss it.
Hey guys, I'm Lisa, and I'm here to discuss about the 5 properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram property 1. In a parallelogram, any two opposite sides are congruent. So obviously, in given parallelogram ABCD, the opposite sides are side AB and side CD. So they are congruent. The other opposite side are side BC and side AB. Obviously, they are congruent. Parallelogram property 2. In a parallelogram, any two opposite angles are congruent. The given parallelogram is also parallelogram ABCD. So as you can see, the opposite angles here are angle ADC and angle CBA. Angle DAB and angle BCD are congruent to each other. Parallelogram property 3. In a parallelogram, any two consecutive angles are supplementary. So, the consecutive angles here are angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. So, angle A and angle B, if they sum up, it will result to 180 degrees or supplementary angle. Same as angle B and angle C, angle B, and angle A, and angle C, and angle D. Parallelogram property 4. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So as we all know, in the quadrilaterals, there are two diagonals. The diagonal here are A and C and B and D with the intersecting point E. So, side AC and side BD bisect each other. Parallelogram property 5. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent angles. So, the diagonal here is AC. Because of the diagonal AC, it will make a triangle ADC and CBA, a congruent triangle. So, again, I'm Lisa and I hope you learned a lot about properties of a parallelogram. But also me, I don't get it too as well. Thank you! Bye!
Hey guys, I'm Nemo, and today I'm gonna show you how to solve properties of parallelogram. As you can see, we have the given parallelogram named ABC, and they have the given equations to get their values. For the first question, what is the value of x? For the first question, what is the value of x? To get the value of x, you need to solve using the value of a, b, and c, d. Why, you might ask, because a, b, and c, d are congruent to each other. So now I'm going to show you how to solve for the value of x. We're going to need the value of AB is equals to the value of CD. So we're going to substitute their values. 3x minus 5 is equals to x plus 7. So with 3x minus x is equals to 5 plus 7. Then you combine like this. It will be 2x is equals to 12. And then divide both sides by 2. You will have x is equals to 6. So it's going to be AD is equals to y plus 3. Substitute the value of y, which is going to be 10 plus 3, which is going to be 13. As you can see, the value of the two congruent sides are both 13. Last question is, what is the perimeter of parallelogram ABC? So if you add up all the sides of the parallelogram, it will be 50. So that is for today. I hope you learned a lot from me, and bye.
Hi guys, so I'm Leandro, and as you can see, Leandro is my twin. Basically, my twin sister. And now it's summary time! We have learned that quadrilaterals have 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. From the word itself, quad means 4 and lateral means sides.
Proceed to our quiz. I repeat the question twice, so listen carefully. Number 1. In a special quadrilateral, it has the characteristics of parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus. Number 1. It is a special quadrilateral. It has the characteristics of parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus. For number 2 and 3, quad means blank and lateral means blank. Again, for number 2 and 3, quad means blank and lateral means blank. For number 4, a parallelogram that has 4 right angles. Number 4, a parallelogram that has 4 right angles. Number 5, a parallelogram that has only one pair of parallel lines. While the other 2 lines are extended up, it will look like a triangle. Number 5, a parallelogram that has one pair of parallel lines. While the other 2 lines of extended up, it will look like a triangle. Number 6 is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Number 6, a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. For number 7 to 10, true or false? Number 7, in a parallelogram, any 2 opposite sides are congruent. Number 7, in any parallelogram, any 2 opposite sides are congruent. Number 8, in a parallelogram, any 2 opposite angles are not congruent. Number 8, In a parallelogram, any two opposite angles are not congruent. Number 9. In any two consecutive angles are supplementary. Number 9. In any two consecutive angles are supplementary. Number 10. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Number 10. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So right now, I will give you the answers. The answer in number 1, square. Number 2, 4. Number 3, side. Number 4, rectangle. Number 5, rhombus. Number 6, quadrilateral. Number 7, true. Number 8, false. Number 9, true. And number 10, true. What can you say about the quiz? It is hard or basic?
So this is your assignment about properties of parallelogram discussed by me. So the given is parallelogram NEPO. Given NE is equals to 2x minus 10 centimeters, while EP is equals to 2y minus 6 centimeters. PO is equals to x plus 2 centimeters, and NO is equals to y plus 4 centimeters. Here are the questions. What is the value of x? How long is the side NE? What is the value of y? How long is side NE? What is the perimeter of parallelogram NEP? That's all. I hope you can answer that. Good luck!
Hey guys, once again in the reading I'm gonna give you the answer to the assignment that GDC gave you a while ago.